flying snake. Flying snakes are the only gliding limbless vertebrates or animals with a backbone. Though they don't fly like birds or bats, the very sight of these brightly colored Southeast Asian snakes swimming through the air between trees is awesome. Gliding saves time and energy when it's time to hunt for prey and avoid being hunted. Here are 4 amazing facts about the flying snake. 1. Flying snakes are the best gliders of all gliding animals, as they don't have to bother with drag-producing limbs. Indeed, they are the only gliding limbless vertebrates or animals with a backbone. 2. These snakes can glide at speeds up to 25 miles per hour and as far as 78 to 300 feet at a time. 3. Smaller snakes are better at gliding than larger ones. Where to find flying snakes? These snakes are found in the forests and jungles of western India and east to Indonesia. They live in the trees and rarely come down to earth. The different types. Unlike a lot of reptiles and other animals that belong to the same genus, these snakes can often be told apart according to their habitat and their species. The golden tree snake is the largest of the snakes. It can grow up to 4 feet long, and its size keeps it from gliding as gracefully. It can be mostly green, yellow, or red with different color marks. The paradise tree snake. This snake mostly discovered in a park. It can be 3 feet long. Its body has a black background with a pattern of beautiful green bands marked with orange, red or yellow. The twin-barred or banded flying snake grows to only 2 feet. Its body has a black or dark gray ground with slender yellow, red and black bands. Despite its small size, it's not as good a glider. The Moluccan flying snake is largely found in Sulawesi and Ambon, Indonesia. Its body comes in shades of green with dark bands and, sometimes, orange or red spots between them. Flying snake, appearance and description. Generally, these snakes are slender with beautiful colors and patterns on their sides and tops and yellow scales on their bellies. They are not large and rarely grow longer than 4 feet, and they weigh from 1.2 to 2 pounds. Their snout is pointed and flat, and their eyes are large and dark. Of course, the one thing that identifies them right away is that they glide from place to place. If you see a snake undulating through the air as if it's swimming in the water, that is a flying snake. How dangerous are flying snakes? The venom of these snakes is not life-threatening to humans. However, a bite from one of these snakes still shouldn't be taken lightly. It can cause pain and swelling. They're not very large snakes. They take animals that may be much larger than the diameter of their head. These include rodents, bats, birds, and their eggs, frogs, smaller snakes, and lizards. Biologists believe that these snakes glide from tree to tree to find food and to escape danger, which often comes in the form of a bird of prey. The snake climbs to the very end of a tree limb, picks out a place to land, twists its body into a J shape, then simply flings itself off the branch towards the target. While in flight, it flattens out its ribs and makes itself twice as wide as it usually is, turning its body into something of a frisbee. The lifespan of these snakes is about 10 years.